brush their teeth and floss?
Yeah.
How'd they do it?
Oh, how do the middle-aged do it now? Probably use that.
No. It would break your teeth. I learned this from Mr. Johnson. After this and during class. But they use apples. Get done!
Yeah, the skin of the apple would be good.
Well, they just eat the apple.
Yeah,
their teeth.
Yeah, clean between it too. I guess they use old-fashioned toothpicks.
Bones.
That's true.
It's like going to the dentist. Remember, eat your apples every day. You know, you brush your teeth and everything. They give you an apple to eat while you're
really, the flossing is more for your gums than it is your teeth. Well, your teeth too, but
yeah. Get done! Let's go, Mogan. And we didn't get Cody. The really tall, skinny one. He's awesome.
yeah, he's fun. He's fun to watch.
He points. What's the hand? Zoom in on when it's R. When we're shooting, zoom in on it. While we're doing that.
Yeah, but then if it's a quick play the other way, then it's not. Can't back it up enough.
What?
Yeah, he did. It looked like he kind of took a step before
So usually
he put the ball down.
Usually they let you take a step.
It just kind of looks so obvious. The guy right behind him watching.
Make it dizzy. Good job, Timberlake. Still have the lead. That's all we need to be worried about.
Not much of a lead.
Go, John. Hands up, fellas. We're fine, we're fine. Go.
Good job, Daniel.
See if you use the, if you stop it a lot, then it wears the battery down, but if you let it run, then you use the tape up, so you kind of got to play a happy medium.
Hands off them. Got his hands all over him. Come on.
Is it 2 shots? I usually don't record both. Get the second shot, because that way you might have a play on it. I'll try to save the tape. That's fine. That's why I do it.
Yeah, John. I'll buy you the tape.
No, what I would say, you can get 2 games on 1 tape if you don't go have too much overtime.
Oh, come on.
Rebound!
Hands off them, Ralph.
Yeah, they're kind of putting their hands all over on the dribbling ball.
Good job, Nathan.
Taking his plays, yeah, I say in the warm-up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's do it
That'd be nice.
Well, I tell you, I found at home if I get all the way to the top of the stands, it's so far away, even when I zoom it down, it doesn't look good on the TV. It look kind of blurry, because I don't have it's not no super duper camera.
On every little bitty thing on us. Not on them.
Got a couple there. White, we call. Sometimes I get involved with that.
That's good.
Don't worry, I'm excited. I'll keep you down.
Aaron, not yet. Aaron, not yet. Come up here.
Well, you expect it to make it a little bit, because sometimes you get calls in your favor, but when it affects the game, sometimes that's what's really bothers me, when you see a whole pattern of it.
Well, it's been a few already. Yeah. No shots, Timberlake, no shots. Good D. Yeah.
He slid.
And then he kept trying to get by me. And Nathan just kept his hands up. Which is perfect. Come on, TCS, let's go.
4 seconds, more people go for 1 shot.
Keep the ball up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Timberlake's a guess.
I gotta show you the thing Brad has. It's one called 20 questions. So the walk was pushing Nathan back, so it was the walk.
Mark, take it out. The middle. So,
Beat him to death.
Good try, John. No. Wasn't a foul.
We'll get your ass mad at I do that enough to live.
I've been riding with my dad, so I've been playing a lot now. You know, the drivers.
Well, he's a ref. He knows.
That guy had
See, some stuff I'm not doing.
open shot. Well, I read the book. Basketball book. My dad used to be a ref. Baseball and softball and basketball. So, yeah. I never.
See, probably there's a whole lot of fouls in Arkansas, so even though you get a bad call, you probably got invalid in 10 of them. But I don't look at it that way. They're like right there.
Can't call for one and then not call for the other.
That's what bothers me. We get a little Q-tip foul down here, and down there, big chance of that.
Yeah, Aaron. Out of my casa, he said. Oh.
Get in there. Yeah.
Yeah. My hands are they'll shake sometimes and then they'll be real steady at others.
I don't do that sometimes. Must be something about lefty.
You're lefty too?
Yeah. Well, when it comes to balls, now, I just do sports left-handed. I right-handed, lead right-handed.
I usually use right for sports except for basketball, football, and baseball. I kick better right.
I actually play tennis with my right hand. And I play table tennis.
I play tennis with my right. Good job, Aaron.
I guess that ain't a foul. Shove him over and then he'll call it.
Nobody likes it.
Yeah, they're not in a good position. You only like them when you win.
Okay, Chris, good job. Yeah, Chris.
Good follow-up.
Good
follow-up. Good follow-up.
And like 50. Come on. Yeah. Good job, Chris. Oh, come on.
Oh, come on.
Oh. Good job, Chris.
See, if you get a set right, you can enjoy the game a little bit.
Mark, stay out.
You have to move it so much.
I watch it in the camera because I have bad eyesight. So. camera because I can
So you're near a far side.
Good job, Nathan.
Have you been through one yet?
Come on, Timberlake.
Nice play. That was a good play. Take it in, John. Yeah, Johnson should take that down on the side.
Yeah! Good job, Chris.
That's good. We needed that. That'll give us a little boost. Come on.
21 points ahead. Or no, 11. Oh! Yes, Nathan. Get him off of him.
That ain't no
He's got his
foul.
hands all over.
Why ain't that a foul? Why they beat him off the lane? And be quiet, Paul. Be quiet. Been good so far. That's Brian Henry in the background, giving the refs compliments. Hey Megan, I got your name in it.
Yeah, you should zoom in on that when you're zooming on the scoreboard.
John, one front, one back.
That guy, when he says
That guy hasn't taken a single shot until now.
when he says John, I'm thinking he's talking to Jonathan, but he's talking to John.
Go, Chris. Go, Chris.
Nice move.
Yeah, Chris.
Nice move. Nice move.
I was over there. We need you out there when we wouldn't complain so much. And then the other guy decided to go, yeah, you would. No, not the Cody. Not the Cody. That's
He said he's got us in January, I think, against Holy Cross.
good. We need him against Holy Cross. Holy Cross fouls like crazy.
I tell you, they're good though. They do.
But hey, at least that number 10 or whatever. 20. Yeah, number 20 right there. At least he's a good sports. I mean, he's fouled a lot, but he's good sport.
That's like the little heavy stuff. And then he'll clobber somebody.
And they won't come to you. Oh, you recorded both of Sean. I said, yeah, I'm joking.
I do.
I know, I'm joking. He's your son. So.
Yeah, I do.
He needs to see how.
His feet are too close together.
Yeah, he needs to see how he's shooting and everything. Oh, he needs to follow his shot.
I need to come in and spread his feet a little bit.
All right, Timberlake, let's go. Yeah! Nice play, Mark.
Megan.
Megan, Phil.
I think. Wait a minute.
What?
Hold up. Morgan or Sexton. Come on, Timberlake. Good move, Nathan. Good move. Oh, get his hands off of him. He's slapping him. Good move, Mark.
Nice.
Good job, Nathan. Oh. Okay, Chris, get back. Oh, come on. You pushed him.
Megan, that was you.
We were about 15 at one time.
We're up by 12.
It was 15. Oh,
Oh,
God.
pass it, Chris. Come on, he's pushing him. Oh, and all of them are petty. Stupid call. Come on, Timberlake. Yeah, Chris.
No fouls, guys. 50 seconds.
Come on, Timberlake, let's go. Good rebound. Oh, good bring, John. Go, Chris, go, Chris. Good. Nice move, Chris. Oh.
No fouls, guys.
Go.
20 seconds, guys. Let's go. Oh, he's all over him.
Little whistle for
Oh, jump. Oh, come on. That was foul. Oh. Yeah, Marv. Yeah, Marv.
That's a 50-foot shot by Mark Henry.
Do it again. That was awesome. I want to see that. You got to let me borrow this to see that.
Well, like I said, I don't think I actually got him shooting it, but I did get the ball going in. Because I thought he,
Would miss it. Kick.
I don't see I could take 2 games and it's just 95 minutes left, and the rest of me is 95 minutes to you.
Come on, get back.
I can kind of watch it.
Thank you.
I kind of watch the defense.
Yeah!
18 points. He won't.
Not pick up. Now you know how we feel. Just sit down.
Get the ball. Don't stand there. Hey, after you put your hands up and shoot, you gotta go to the basketball, man.
Go, Timberlake! Yeah!
He's running.
He's on now. He's on.
I think he got 21 points.
Yeah, Chris. Now we're 20 points ahead. 20 points ahead, baby.
When you're burning threes, you keep shooting.
Timberlake is 20 points ahead right now.
Come on.
Good, Timberlake. Let's go, Daniel.
Oh, come on.
Call it for them, but not us.
He had his feet set.
Consistency.
Good move, John. Good move.
Consistency.
You can get by with more contact when you run a press. For some reason, they do let you do that. Because I remember Wyatt told me it kind of depends on where you were when you committed the foul. They're a little more lenient on the press than they are.
Ready to help, Phil.
Yeah, good job, Chris. Good job, Chris.
Good job.
Can't wait till I get back on the
Yeah, you need to keep the grades up so it don't happen again. You missed, man. You missed. When you miss like that, it really cuts your timing off bad. Nice play, John. Nice play.
Well, it's just like playing in the game. Feel the adrenaline rush.
That one on fire?
Yeah. Leave them wide open.
Got the ball.
Who cares if they missed it? They left them wide open. 5. Come on, Timberlake!
I wonder what John said.
They're making it run. Oh, he's got his hands all over him. What? I don't care if we're winning. Gotta be consistent. I love the refs. Don't worry. Follow your shot, Chris. Watch your back, Mark. Nice move. Nice move.
Line it up. Go.
No.
54.
Good job, Mark.
Sky, call it.
Step back, Chris. Step back. Oh, good try, Daniel. Good job, Mark.
Hey, watch your shoving
push
now.
him.
Watch your
Push
shoving.
him. Oh. That was all ball.
No, we don't get no foul down here.
Come on now. Consistency.
I don't know what it means, but it sounds good.
It means you gotta be the same way to everything.
I know what it means.
Oh, okay.
You keep saying it.
Oh, come on. He's got his hands all over him. It's okay, John.
You can do it.
Let's try, John.
Man, you have a hard time hitting him tonight.
He's like Shaq.
Looks like he's putting a little spin on it.
Grab it. There you go.
Good rebound. Good rebound. Chrissy State's still letting go now. He's got his hands all over him. Yeah! 20 points again.
Over the back, thank you. Good for us all the time.
That's the way to box. Always box.
I'm gonna tell her.
Let's go, Timberlake.
Get a good shot. Okay.
Well, that ruined the cheer.
Nice. Watch the four on there.
Yeah! Yeah, Daniel. We're on today.
We got some good three-point shooters, man. We really do.
We played this way against Holy Cross. We might actually affect close. Or against some other team.
But you know something about threes. You're either hitting them all, they ain't hitting them none. They ain't hitting none of them. Bust his lip.
Good job, Chris.
Bite his tongue. Need some ice?
Hey, Chris, you need ice?
You gotta keep drinks cold, don't you?
They got a freezer. That guy has his fadeaway down. Good job. Yeah. Go, no shots, Timberlake, no shots. You fell on purpose. Yeah, Mark!
No fouls, guys. No
Three,
fouls. 6 seconds
2,
left.
1.
Hey, he was the right man to get it to.
Yeah, great move. Good job, Timberlake.
We're very fast. We're very fast. We take advantage of it.
Now, yeah, we have the best lineup in Aaron's coming. So we got speed right now.
Got it on? Why isn't that pressed? They might have some people in foul. You probably can't see it good once you get past half court.
I can see it. Right here, I can still see it. Just down more, right there, I can still sort of see it. Yeah, John.
Good patience. Way to wait it out. Way to wait it out, John. He's got good timing.
Yeah.
They think he's going to go up. Then when he does go up, they're probably thinking it's his thing. You know, he waits.
We keep playing the way we're playing.
Go ahead.
Yeah. We're losing momentum.
Well, you know, you're going to get kind of wild because you're trying to hit three-pointers and stuff. Really, the more they dribble, the better defense we play, the more it eats up the clock.
And the refs are better, more consistent. Yeah. Oh.
I think they got a couple guys in foul trouble, and because we're so fast, if we break the press, we almost get automatic.
That guy's mad.
I tell you, I felt like we should be. I had no idea we'd get out this far. That's
The refs started being more consistent. They started losing momentum. hands on him. Get his hands off. Look! Basically tackled him. 21 points. We're ahead.
Jason does a good job with you know, like when they get boxed up, one man will break free and they get them wide open in the lane. You get a lot of points.
They're only helping us by going slow.
They just might not be trained. They might not have the.
If he had kept going up, he could have made it.
If not, he could have gone foul.
That team is really away. I think they knew we. Yeah, John. Well, I mean, they can come back.
Yeah, our defense has played good tonight. To keep them say under 40 or 45 points.
They can nail 8 threes.
We can. Unless we have a really bad night, let's get called across. We're good for 6 and 7 points.
We're good.
Yeah, they're gonna slow it down now. Hopefully that Michael play.
Now John's chilling out.
Well, no, he's good on it. That's what he does best.
It is still fun to see him do all these crazy moves. Yeah, they're putting John in. Michael. Go, Michael. Michael Laurie. Okay. Should have made it.
I think he wants to slow it down. I don't know why. Something like that. You had to go to thinking.
Let's go. Hands up. Hands up. 4. It's okay.
Good job, Nate. Good job, John, Mark, and Daniel.
Make sure you guys box. Everybody find a man in box. Michael, don't stretch.
Yeah. Good job, Nathan.
Mike, get open. Michael, get up. Spot, Mike.
Good job, Michael.
I think just let him get open.
Shoot it. Michael's awesome. He's great. He's awesome. Good defender. Cody's still here.
The board. Look back.
Oh! Yeah, Michael.
Hands up.
2 minutes, Timberlake. Don't get sloppy. Shot. 30 points ahead. Wow. Shoot it.
Big things. Stop two people on.
Shoot it.
Please go.
Yeah!
Good, Michael!
Yeah, Michael. Wish. Wow. That guy just threw it up.
Where's the rebounds, guys?
Same team.
4. Aaron, 4. Nathan, let's go. Come on, Chris, it's there.
Yeah, John.
He's got an outside shot. Never takes it. He's got a good outside shot, but he's
He
not really
practiced all
out there.
summer on the outside.
Yeah, he's got a good outside shot, but it's not out there much to take it.
The refs are like a bunch of stuff going on. They just want the game to be over. Oh, okay, John.
All the way, all the way.
Nice rebound.
Good rebound.
Yes.
Whoa! From the book. When Mark shot that one shot, I didn't even look at first, and then I just watched it. And then I didn't think he'd go in. He'd go in, and he made it. 10 seconds. Yeah.
Hold it.
Shoot it, Michael. Shoot it. Shoot